Sockeye salmon time. So I'm doing salmon, put butter underneath, foil a sheet because I don't want to be washing dishes. Trying out this organic sea kelp delight seasoning. So made from, it's organic, gluten free, right? And it works for all these things: salads, dressings, sauces, soups, and fish. So we're trying it on salmon. See how it comes out. If it's too light, hey, you can always add soy sauce, right? So this is gonna go in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 15 minutes. And I'm gonna cover it with another sheet of foil, and hopefully, with my bad luck, I don't get cut with it. So the salmon's been in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. So it looks. That's 10 minutes right there. So we're going to put it back in there, uncovered, another 3 minutes. Right now the salmon's done. Just want to get some more color now. So I let it in the oven an additional 4 minutes, uncovered. That's how it looks now. It's all done already. So now I'm just going to let it cool down a little bit. Put the cover back on. About 6 minutes, 10. That should be enough to make burgers, sandwiches, or whatever. So there's the salmon. I took a piece out. I sliced some tomato, toasted my bread, put some mayo, and there's the salmon right on top. And toasty bird.